Hey, what's happening, internet world? This is your boy here, Johnny, aka the Spilt Ink, the one and only. And today is a very special day because today I'm going to make a great painting for a very good friend of mine, Chris. And this is a painting for his family, his wife and his daughter. And the painting is of his wife and his daughter. So I'm going to make a painting which is going to be, well, I'm going to use this canvas here, this little canvas. But I'm going to use a little bit of magic. I know magic, and I'm going to change this canvas right here into the final product. Wait for it. Here we go. 1, 2, this is magic. And 3. Wow. Wow, would you look at that? The painting's done, and it's all magic. Can you believe it? Now, this painting here, as I said before, is of Chris's wife and his lovely daughter, and it's a painting of them at the summer festival here in Japan. Now, in Japan, the summer festival is called Natsu Matsuri. Natsu means summer, Matsuri means festival, and at the summer festivals, they have all those red glowing lanterns, and there's lots of fireworks. So the concept of this painting is of his wife and his daughter going together, and she's actually holding the daughter, and they're going together watching the fireworks and seeing all the lanterns and just seeing all the excitement. And that's why there's kind of like looks like little fireworks in the background here and over here and stuff. And that's why we've got the red right here. It's the red reflection of like the lanterns and of like the fireworks and stuff. And it's really cool. There's a lot of detail in this, and it looks beautiful. I think this is a gorgeous painting. I can't wait to see it framed. Now, I don't have magic to do that. Darn it. But I think this painting looks absolutely fantastic, and it's done in my POPSICK style. My POPSICK style is a combination of portraiture, comic book art, and graffiti art. And yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. If you want a POPSICK painting, just contact me, DM me, and I will hook you up. Yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is so cool. I love this. I love how like the red right here is like a reflection from like a lantern or possibly like fireworks or something. It's amazing. This is great. Oh, this is good. You know, that's the problem about these paintings. I make them, and then I fall in love with them, and then I have to give them away. I'm like, here you go. Oh, my goodness. But, yeah, this is a great painting, and I hope that, you know, Chris, you enjoy this painting, and I hope your family loves this painting as much as I love making it for you guys. So, thank you so much. Enjoy the holiday season. It is Christmas time around here, and this might be a Christmas present. Shh! Don't tell anybody, but share this video. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, follow me, YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff. I'm everywhere. The Spilt Ink, that's me. All right, thank you so much. Chris, again, thank you so much, and have a good one, man. Peace.